I'll set everything up. Okay, welcome to the stream. So what I'm today gonna do, the title also says it, and the thumbnail in a few too once I change it. I am going to make an AI command center because a lot of people make that stuff. I have never made one or never fully finished it just because I didn't need it personally. Like you can get projects done without it, but now I'm going to make one for the fun of it. And just to see, like, if it's gonna be useful. Well, I do know it's gonna help my workflow a bit, but it's like you can get projects done without it. But if I can find my thumbnail, give me one moment, I'll add it. But then we'll continue from that. And also I submitted what we had for the build-a-thon. If I can, oh wait, if I can open my screenshot or my thumbnail, then all good. The AI generated thumbnails are like fire though. Like I cannot explain it, but the thumbnails the AI generates are fire sometimes. You do need to like mess around with it sometimes, but it does create fire thumbnails. Red Bull sponsor me. Yo, Islam Education, welcome to the stream. Today I'm gonna make an AI command center, just because I didn't have one, and then you have all these vibe code YouTubers making one, so I thought, let's give it a shot. So we'll get started on that in a few. I'm now just double checking some other stuff really quick. And then we'll get started. One moment. And then we'll see, like, I already have the prompts ready because, like, I made codecs load a bit. Also, I like starting the stream always in this and I can, like, talk a bit. But no, the competition we submitted, our project wasn't that great. It's just I didn't have a good idea for the OpenAI build week. But for now, we'll make the AI harness. I'm very excited because I already made some visuals that I'll show you all now. Here, because I made some visuals already. For example, this one. And I know we can replicate this because I have like... It wasn't for an AI harness, but this you can replicate. Exactly this style. So we'll follow this kind of style. And we'll get everything up and running. And connecting it will be easy because I'm gonna use localhost for all the ones wondering. And then later on I might make it public. But for now, localhost is all we need to get it like up and running. And then maybe it will make my workflow easier, who knows? Who knows, who knows. But we'll let the AI get started on it right now. Extra high and go. It already has all the prompts, it has a design, so let's get started. So let me also share the stream in Discord. Also rate the thumbnail we have for the today's stream, AI made it. Here, finally making my own AI command center. Also, I'll do the bot today. Like, I'll arrange the bot, the Discord bot, then it will like be automatically enabled and then you can choose if you get pings or not. Yo, Pistol MR, I think it's the first time I see you in the stream, I might be wrong. But welcome to the stream. So today I'm gonna make the AI command center. This is the first time I'm making something like this, just because I was, like, I didn't need it. I could get it done with just a Codex chat for all my project, or like, I could get it done in just a Claude chat or a Codex chat for all my products. But who knows, we'll see if it's like, if it lives up to the hype. I do know having your own thing is always better, so... And I'll integrate it into Baked OS. Also, if you're new, I'll also send this in the stream. Join the live hackathon, we're gonna do 12 hours straight. Like, we're gonna be live 12 hours straight with a few other YouTubers. And also a few other vibe coders. I think we already have 21, but everybody can join. If you send your application, submit, then you'll be accepted. Welcome, Alden, to the stream. Now I'm going to like make the AI command center and we'll see. But I've made something like this before, or I have this in like Baked OS, but it's like not enabled. But we'll make it a bit nicer visually, but I already have some ideas. Yo, PR, welcome to the stream. No, we'll give it a few. I just want to see the first version. Like, we'll first let it do V1, and then we'll continue. Huh? What do you mean why I copy you? Ah, you're also making an AI command center. Or what? I didn't even notice that. If that is so, let me check. Oh wow, you stream on your other channel, I think. Ah, you're also doing that. Ah, my bad, bro, my bad. Nah, but I wanted to just update Baked OS also. But I'll make this a separate program. But we'll see. It will take some while to like make the UI. Once the UI is done, send me. The UI is the highest priority, and then the backend you can do with sub agents on the side. Waiting for a new PC to come. Nice. Did you get the Mac Mini? Or just a MacBook? Balta, welcome to the stream. Got transfer everything to my new room. Ah, okay. But what did you get? The MacBook or the Mac Mini? Or just Windows still? Okay, but I am happy with this design. Like, I have some ideas, and I will like go to Envato, get some video on the background, or some image. Glassmatic. I just like this style. I don't know. I'll ask the AI what it's called. I just know it's like the Apple view, but when I type that in, I'm not gonna get it. And then we'll see, like, I'll update this once I, like, go on and go. I delete. It said you get a Mac Mini in the lowered power game. Ah, okay, nice. I do know cloud gaming has become better. I don't know. How did you... I submitted my project and we'll see, Balta. Like, the judges are... It's going to be until 14 August, I think. Yeah, 12 August. So 12 August, the judges will check it all. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, but it doesn't like get it, so it's game I plan. No, I didn't see the game yet. Wait, I'll check on Discord. If it's in like the project showcase, I'll find it normally. Ah, nice. I don't immediately see what it's about, but it does look already good. They're going to be vibe. I assume, are you gonna like connect it via GitHub or something with GitHub tracking, or how exactly? Yeah, then we'll see, because I have no clue. But if we win, then I'll be live streaming that. But I think Dev Day is like at the end of the year in September. Dev Day. What day is it even? Yeah, September 29, so it's like at the end of the year then even. But we'll get a video at the end. Yes, sir, plan work. Nice. Now, I'm very curious to see the game. But no, I'm already thinking, I will first want to get the design in order and then we'll build upon that. And like, once it has like a good base setup, I can easily throw it into like Baked OS. And then we'll see. Also, let me also brainstorm with my other agents. Just so I know that I'm like doing the correct stuff. I'll see in how we can play, so everyone can play. I'm writing some notes for you. Don't want to do with my stuff. Ah, okay, nice. Let me see one thing. Worst case, I do it like I did before, like without having it like a real command center. We'll see. I burned 200 tokens on Fable 5 candidates so I can create a base. 100, crazy. But why did you not just wait for the subscription to reset? Or did you like get... Oh yeah, they gave extra 100 credits, right? On Claude, if I remember correctly, or saw something about it. Let me even see if I got those credits. Or if I like got the extra credits. Nope. But it was 300. Yeah, I saw the notification, but I didn't get it for some reason. But I'm happy with Codex, with like the unlimited usage. UI dashboard, okay. And then I'll just like in this command center, just like make design skills in the view. Go to synergy. Let me see. Not that I see. But I'm only on the 5x, so who knows? Well, let me see. Claude, code, free, credits. But if I see it, I'll claim it, but I didn't immediately see it, sadly. Yeah, but I'm on Pro. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm also on the Pro plan. Normally I'm on the 5x, but I didn't see it. But I'm on the 5x, so maybe that's the reason. Who knows? Now we'll wait until this to be made. Because the only thing like that I say about Codex, it isn't as nice for the stream. Because with Claude I can like have multiple tabs in one window, if you'll get what I mean. What I like used to do. So I will just make Codex into that command center and local. How? No clue, because I'm not that technical. Because I don't want to use it with API credits. That I'm not gonna get started on. But there should be a way I can either do it with session ID. I'm either going to like do it with session ID and all that, but we'll see. Regarding the game, everyone will get jobs based on their skill level, just like on Fiverr there will be equipment by GTA but for vibe coders. Fable 5 generate me GTA 6, no mistakes. Higher friends where I am PC3. Yeah, I don't know if I got it. Probably, but who knows. I will check for the Claude code credits, but mainly now I just use Codex. And like my Codex is like resets every single day, so. Okay, this logo is decent, like I'll update it to something more. This looks like the Gemini logo, if I like, oh well, I don't know what I wanted to say Gemini. Just reminds me of the colors, kinda. Well, it's maybe because of the star, whatever. Nah, that would be nice though. The only thing, are you gonna plan to like put models in it or only with shapes? Or whatever it's called. Just real models in it that it looks a bit nicer or only shapes? Because I'm just curious because there are some limitations on the shapes. Because I have like tried and tested with it before. Or maybe like later try the Unity, like in browser, and see if the AI can cook something up. Because you do get free credits from the Unity vibe code tool. And that can like generate models. And it's decent models. But yeah, I'm also... Ah, okay, nice. If you're down to do that, do check out Unity. Because that, if you're gonna like use Unity in the browser, that would be nice. And especially because Unity is promoting more vibe coding. If it's good, I don't know. I just quickly checked it. And it just, they can generate models inside it. And that's the nice thing. It's just like if you link the MCP, they can connect and just build models. It does go down your credits in Unity. You get like 1000 or something. Unity credits. AI. But who knows? No, but I have some good ideas for the command center. I'll probably, like, I know a lot of people have like the voice to transcript or voice to text, but I already have whisper flow, so I don't know if I'm gonna change that. I'll see what coders can cook up for now, see where we can get, but it's a project I will definitely stream and I think will be... Yeah, it will definitely be interesting. Then you can like invite all the Vibe Code streamers to it. Just like the Vibe Code's GTA. But I do think, in my opinion, gaming with vibe coding is still a year or so until it like fully gets up and running. They're getting there with like the AI model generation and so on. But I don't think you can... It's hard to make fully fledged games. What you're trying to do will work, but I mean like full-fledged Unreal games. But I do know Unreal Engine and all of those are like trying to connect AI and vibe coding into it. Okay, nice. And we'll see what other features we'll add. Text goes on. Ah, okay, nice. That I might need to check out too. But I meant, or well, yeah, that's just more like an agent kinda. I'm still debating if I will do the voice to text. Just because I have whisper flow already. But I'll get the base set up of this project and then we'll see. What does he say, super base? Isn't there another database we can use instead of Supabase? That we can just do on local for now or something? And then I'll also think already on... Honestly, I'll put the game out just to see if people find it, and then transfer to better engine if it does get traffic. Ah, nice. Yeah, and then you just need to choose the engine. I do think Unity is currently the best for vibe coding, as far as I've seen. Like, and Unreal is trying to do it. Or they're gonna try and do it more in the future or coming months. We'll see if it can cook something up. As it like, if it can get the UI nice, then it will just already continue on the back end and then we're all good. But I do like these boxes that I like. And I'll like get a moving background. If I want to scale it big, I would go for Unreal Engine. Nice. I am curious though if like Unreal Engine will be able to cook something up soon with like the whole vibe coding integrated in it. But who knows, who knows. But then that will take too much money servers and... Ah, true, true. I am curious though, like how long it will take for me to finally see the UI. Give me the full prompt to do that. And then he will update it. And also already think, because later on we will need to like have skills and so on in it for design and so on. That like the AI will learn and have fully... That the AI is all up to date and isn't just like a standard new chat. That it has like IDs maybe connected with my Obsidian Vault on my PC too. Because for now I'm just gonna make this thing local. And then that will be my baked OS kinda. I'll update it a bit to look like this too, but... You would need to drop at least 10 bands monthly at the start of the game for certain... Okay, that I didn't know if it was like Unreal. If there were a single player game cost, the cost would be minimal. Ah, okay, noted. Well, I didn't know how much Unreal would cost in usage, but that does seem quite a lot. Then I think it's just the best that you keep it on like the web for now, or just a web game. Okay, the AI is cooking up a response, then we'll put it in here and then we'll see. I do like this logo, so who knows. If I were single, if I start on a 6 years monthly, maybe it will go to Unreal. Who knows, who knows. But I do think, I don't, if it's 10k a month for Unreal servers, I personally wouldn't do it. Even if I was making 6 figures, I ain't spending that much on Unreal servers, like. There should then be a cheaper alternative. But who knows. I should get into more game development, because I am a gamer by heart, but vibe coding just isn't there yet for gaming. In my opinion, or as far as I can see. I should update, like, we should get new music soon. Let me see, so new. I know we generated some before, but it wasn't that great. Or it wasn't like at the level I wanted it to be. Yeah, but think about the infernal game macro mistakes you insult. Yeah, I thought if you were gonna, I thought you meant if you're gonna like make it a free game and then buy for the servers. But yeah, if it's Mecha Chameleon, then if it's like a paid game, I do understand. But was Mecha Chameleon fully vibe coded? Or is that just like a joke of the community? Oh wait, let me even see, because I know some people say it, but like, was it vibe coded? It was almost under it was a highly polished thing, but I do see that people are, it's like saying make your Mecha Chameleon with vibe coding. But I don't know the power of the vibe coding in game engines, but who knows, who knows. Cool. The agent is taking its time though. Already pressed here, and then we'll see. I just need the first version of the command center online, and then we have like, then we can take a good look at it. Wait, what was it? If you search it, you will be surprised now. Yeah, but they're trying to push it more. That's the thing. And also if you check Unity... Wait, let me even see Unreal 5.8 AI. Yeah, 1 month ago. Yeah, on YouTube, of course. But I'll definitely check it out. I'll do a full stream on this, like, just to check it all out. And maybe get some credits on it. But I think it will still be a bit until we can be full vibe coding game devs, I think. I think a few more months, 5 months or so. It's just because the models are the problem. The models, the code of the game isn't the problem, it's the model generation. And then wiring it up, that's the problem mainly. From what I saw when I did it in Unity. But who knows, maybe Unreal fixed that. Because I saw dude, He put the assets in the folder, put the prompt, told what to do with that, and he had a game in 2 hours. Ah, nice. Yeah, it's just the models are the problem, and the game, the code of the game you can do, from what I saw in Unity, but maybe Unreal fixed the whole thing that it now like has no problem with generating or making models. Who knows? Cool. We have been here 20 minutes, we still don't see anything. Let me see. You have a lot of mods free online? Okay, that... Yeah, but I mean for that are built into Unity. Or built into Unreal. But yeah, maybe you could even do it without needing the models that are like built into the real features of Unity or Unreal, but who knows. But I should get more into it later. But first, this. We have like a roadmap skills, scoped vault retrieval. Okay, the linking MCPs is gonna be important. But I first need to see the visuals. Like, I need to make sure he can do the visuals, and the backend he can just do while I'm fine-tuning stuff. Come on, like, the AI needs to do UI check. Okay. In a few it should be on the port 3000. Well, wait until he gives me the link. %63%. Also, I saw Hicksfield. Like, Hicksfield kinda a bit of scammers though. Like, it ain't free. Or not fully at least. Where is it? But keep access. Downgrade plan, bro. Here. Like, they say it's free. The UI... Nah, the UI looks good. The UI looks good in my opinion. Of this year, this I'll maybe change. But we'll see once the UI is made. And the UI is just for me. But like, Hicksfield are or well, not scammers. They say the models are free, but only for 99. So you need to pay the 99 for the 1-day access. It is free, but if you don't cancel on time, they charge. Yeah, but that's why I disconnected my cards. Or like, I have to throw away cards. No, but these are paid. If you want to do this, it's paid. I'm pretty sure. As far as I see, at least. Up to 4K. But the AI has gone a long way. Let me see. Yeah, the supercomputer is free, but I mean, oh well, let me see. But I'll check that out later if I can see my. Ah, okay. Then I'll maybe make it on my other Gmail and check it out. But I saw that it was like 2 days free, so who knows. But I'm not that into the AI generation at the moment for videos and images. Just for thumbnails, but I can do with ChatGPT. Okay, no, this is decent. I just need to like have it in my port or like local hosts. I'm going to get a video from Envato for the background. What's it called? Or what is the best keywords that I put into Envato to find a background similar to that? Okay, nice. Also, for all the ones new in the stream, do say hi. Let me know what you're currently working on. Nah, but I'll do check that out. But mostly, I only need ChatGPT image 2 for the most part. Also, let me see. Okay, so I just need a new account. Okay, noted. Let me see. Yeah, people type something and look like. Yeah, people type. Yeah, people that join, because I do know people are joining because I see the subscriber count go up. Don't be shy. Let me know what you're working on. Client projects, personal projects. And everyone, do not forget to join the Dollar Vibe Club. We're having a live hackathon. 12 hours straight, everybody can join. You just need to send your application and then you can be one of these 22. It's gonna be live or else building 12 hours straight. And yes, there are also prizes, everything, all the details are on this page. Let me see, I wanted like a slow... Let me see. This is important for me, just for the background, like details. This I need. I like this vibe. This is also nice. I'm just downloading a few of this. Okay, all good. Open local host, please. Open. Use one of these videos for the background. Okay, I'm gonna make the menu a bit smaller, but it's already looking decent. Because you need to imagine this is going to be on the full screen. Now let me check another thing. Because I'm going to get the old repo. Also, here's the zip file of our best of shorts. It's all from Fiverr. That revenue is just from Fiverr. I'll show you even. Let me even see if I can like make the preview of my accounts. And we also have free PDFs, but I'll get over that. So, This is my mentor and co-worker Tommy, he has 406 reviews, and I'm 18 years old and I've been active on Fiverr for the last couple 6 to 7 months. And that's all from Fiverr. It did take a bit to get my account kickstarted, but 30 orders in a book, so all good. And if you want to get also earn that kind of revenue, just go to dollarvibeclub.com. It's fully free, we don't sell a course. Just go to classrooms all the way down, how to Fiverr for noobs. And this explains how I did it and how a lot of others did it in the chat. Like, this will explain A to Z what it is. You can also ask me questions, of course, in the stream, but this fully explains A to Z how to get clients. And also the second document is to get local clients, because to get your account kickstarted faster is you need to get clients locally and push them to Fiverr, just so that Fiverr sees, ah, okay, this guy's legit. What did I want to say? Like, we need this also a bit as a stream overlay. Fully check the bake to West. Like, I need the top right, we need like a home page. Double check the entire file and see what you can do. Also, is this the updated file? It is important though. No, it wasn't. Well, I'll wait until it gets like pushed. The design is like the least important right now for this. This will remove. I'll need to find a way to like connect it. Worst case, I do it with session ID. I just need to make this for the stream, kinda. It'd have like a nicer visual. I could also use Bake the West, but then I was still gonna update it anyway. Is my... What is the problem? First here, stage. And for all the ones new in the stream, do say hi. Let me know what you're currently working on. But no, I do believe every single buddy can make 10 figures, or well, not 10 figures, 10k on Fiverr a month. Like, they literally throw money at you. That's the easiest way I can. They throw money at you. They literally send you DMs from, hey, make my site. And it's as easy as that. They just throw money at you. That's the simplest way I can explain. Also, what is this? Let me see why there's like a conflict. I'll just throw it on a different branch and hope it works. But no, best of shorts, definitely do join the Dollar Vibe Club. Like, it's free money, I cannot explain it otherwise. You do need to put in the work, but it's so, they literally send you DMs with money just saying, ah, make my website, make my bakery. Like, it's so, it's insane. What is this? Let me see what the problem is. Why can't I click on the button, bro? Because of all conflicts. Yeah, here, I'll open my GitHub and then check, but I can't open it without closing it again. Okay, I'll literally let an agent go in it and check what the problem is. You know what? Just for the... Please fix the merge issue. Please fix the merge issue, thank you. Just so that's done. So I just need the file, but it doesn't want to give it to me. Also make sure to really follow the screenshot on design. Make sure that all of the boxes are kind of transparent, that you can see the video on the background. Thank you. Forts, welcome to the stream. Is my merge conflict done that I can finally download the zip? Let's see. Did we break the file? Because I just need the old zip. Come on, yeah, here. I'll pull. If it's still glitched, then I'll need to manually do it via shell. What W intro? I don't know what. And do you mean the thumbnail? But the thumbnail is nice though. Like ChatGPT image, if you truly prompt good in it, like, the thumbnail of the stream is fire. Like, ChatGPT image truly cooks with the thumbnails. If you, like, give it good prompts. I do need to, like, make sure, because sometimes it has, like... It has two images of me for the thumbnails. One with short hair and one with the hair I have now. So I do need to make sure it, like, uses the recent photo. That's the only thing. Cool. Let me see my GitHub, please. Come on. I'll give it another 10 seconds, if not then we need to do it manually. Just so that I like have this, then a lot of this can be taken over automatically. There's clearly a conflict, but okay. What even is this? Yo, Easy, welcome to the stream. I'm just going to full on download the zip, I don't care. Here. Use the old zip of Baked OS, like I need things like the top right implemented, just that it, like a lot of the general feel and tabs implemented, but just as the agent tab, it's this new screen. Also, do check the other code, it's like linked to my channel. New background? What do you mean new background? For on the video or for the app? But no, I'm updating Baked OS a little. Or just I'm gonna make a harness, a command center, and that will be the new background of the stream. I'm updating these blocks, no worry. I'm first just making also sure that the AI can work on the background to make it all up and running. If I wanna like use it. Okay. The new project is a command center forts, because I see that all the Vibe Code streamers or a lot of people like to make their own harness and everything, and I also wanted to make one. So I'm going to make a full harness and then use that as a new stream background and everything. For now, the design I still need to update a lot, but it's already looking decent. I will update certain names and everything, but for now. How many agents? Okay. Be sure to spin up multiple sub-agents, also a few for the backend. But I'm not gonna use API tokens, I'm just gonna link it via my subscriptions. Worst case, I do it with like session IDs and everything. Or like MCPs. Because I'm not gonna pay for tokens, like no hate, but like the API tokens are way too expensive compared to subscriptions. And I don't want to use free models, so I'm like gonna just make sure it connects with my subscriptions. On localhost it's doable to do that. On the regular, if you're like hosting it, it's not doable, or not that doable. Or you can do it, but we'll see. For now, a nicer stream layout. This is nice. These boxes I like, especially. I like the Apple feel. Well, I'm on a MacBook, but... And then I'll like add features and features upon it, like slowly. I'm just gonna put the box here. Now we'll see what the agent cooks up. And I'll like also slowly add skills into it. If it's like on my local host, I know I can like wire it up to my Obsidian brain also. And then we'll see, because it doesn't need to be hosted on the web for now. Okay, all good, I suppose. For all the ones new in the stream, do join dollarvibeclub.com. We have a live hackathon. It will start in 74 hours and 7 minutes. And we'll be live for 12 hours straight. It's going to be a Saturday in Europe, Sunday in Bangkok. And here are all the details. Galaxy Cypher Human. What's that? Let me see. No, I have no clue even what that is. I assume Galaxy AI or something. What is that exactly, Forts? Because I have no clue what that is, or first time I've heard of Galaxy. Tasker Data, welcome to the stream. Oh, my harness is not working. But this is the ID. No, we can like replicate it, so that's no problem. I do want to like animate also this thing. How? Good question. Can probably do it via Claude's design, I'm pretty sure. I have like an ID. Or Codex can do that too, I'm pretty sure. And then we'll build upon this for a bit, the command center. And then we'll see, like, I'll use it, like, if I can make a nice command center or, like, harness, I'll keep using it. But you don't need a harness to, like, do full-fledged projects. That is, like, a devis mark there. That is, like, a devis mark. But I have no... Who is Galaxy? What is Galaxy? I have no clue what that even is, bro. Or what's the name? Ah, okay, here. Well, no, it's the phone launch. You mean with the keynote of the phones? You have like... But I have no clue. If you mean the phone forts, let me know and I'll check that out. But let me see. 100k. But we'll check the keynotes if I can open it. Ah, okay. Okay, and I'll check that. Should get premium again, just do not get the Dutch ads on my stream. Ah, just end it. Let it, bro, there is no way I'm... What do you even need to do? Just make the 100k. Vibe go to 100k. I didn't even know Samsung was doing like or well, a whole keynote. This is all good. Now we just wait. But I didn't know it was like gonna take a while anyway for this to like get set up. I'll also put it on ultra high, like I'll put it on ultra. And also we'll brainstorm with Claude on the side. Already make or do some research. What else can we add into command center as extra value? And I will later on add public repos with like skills for design and like debugging and so on. But maybe you can help me find a few already so it can put those in. I have Samsung and they gave me a coupon code of 230 off on 1k. That is smart though. I've never had a Samsung phone. I have had like a Samsung tablet. But like I have 2 iPhones, but no, never had a Samsung phone. What's this? Right. Okay, let Claude go to cook. Put this for clickbait on the screen. This, yeah, I think so. Or I'm just gonna have it as the favicon for now, but I'm probably gonna change it. Yeah, it does look like the Gemini logo, in my opinion, or it reminded me of the Gemini logo. I don't know where it got the reference from. It just generated it because that doesn't look like this. Or well, 50-50. Plot code can give me the second prompt already. It doesn't only need to for this. Okay, but for all the ones new in the stream, do say hi. Let me know what you're currently building. Oh, it does now take a while though. It is well good unique for me. Okay, nice. But I'll probably change it later on. I first just want the whole system working. Here, an extra... You fixed it? No. Yeah, I don't... But I didn't change anything. I think it's just Wi-Fi or something. Who knows? What did I want to say? Here's another prompt for you to also continue working on. Just let the sub-agents gather all the repos. Thank you. It's okay. I assume it's going to open the port in a few. Imcasso, that 31k, like, I think it's the first time I see you read that 31k is from Fiverr. That's not even from my apps. Or, like, I'm not even, all the revenue of my other apps and so I don't even mention. All of that money is from Fiverr. Here, I'll show my account. We have a free PDF even explaining how I did it in like 6 months. It does take a while to like get your account kickstarted. You will not get anything for the first few months. But here, if you don't believe me, here is Tommy. He's 460. That is a real dashboard 50, or else it's gonna be a real dashboard working. But here, this is me. I'm a Fiverr seller or freelance Fiverr seller. I'm 18 years old, and in the last 6 to 7 months, I made that money. And here is Tommy. He's my mentor. You can see. If I made 30k, then you can already guess how much he made. And we have a free course on the Dollar Vibe Club. Just go, dollarvibe.com, link is here. Go to classrooms, all the way down. Fiverr for noobs, here. It's literally free. If you don't read it, then it's just your loss. It fully explains how to set up your Fiverr and even get local clients. It explains A to Z how to get money. Oh, we build community here with dollars, the main pro. Yeah. The forts, the main thing I stream for is like for the Dollar Vibe Club. Oh shit, I bet you really like paying for something. No, but everyone can do it. Like, it's so easy to get 10 fakes a month with Fiverr alone. I think I need to update my Fiverr again because I got the 31k is what I got already in claimed. But I have a few more projects of 7k in the pocket or in the pipeline. Because people still pay 10k for software, and for simple websites you charge 2k. USD though, not euro, but... And everybody can do the Fiverr thing. Just like make money with Fiverr and then invest in like $200 subscriptions. OX, I'll call you OX. I mainly use Codex and Claude. I recently switched to Codex. What do you mean? How did forts describe a pyramid scheme? We built community with... I'm Queso. What do you mean a pyramid scheme? Dollar Vibe Club is fully free. I'm against course sellers. All the info on this is literally free. You can just go download the PDF and throw it into AI. If it was a pyramid scheme, then I would be charging you all money. But I'm against course selling. I think it should all be free. But no, OX, I mainly use now 5.6 Sol. Fable is good, but it feels like it got debuffed. I currently have the 5x on both, on Claude and Codex, but the best one, at the end of the month I'll get 20x again. I used to have 20x on them, but I wanted to like have 5x on both. Making money by selling. Wait, what? We got community here with Dova as the main. Nah, but I think you misunderstood them. Like, yes, we're building Dollar Vibe Club, but it's fully free. It's like a free school, everybody can join. Yeah, no, the early days were crazy, but I still am not breaking any limits. It's just unlimited for me, because there's like a glitch, I think. It reset, instead of weekly resets, it resets every day. But no, I do get you, I'm queso. Like, it's just, there's so many gurus, there's still so many people making money of the, like, what do they say? Sell women beauty, sell the poor, how to get money fast. But it's fully free, like, it used to be $1, but then we also had like something, yeah, hey, the whole Stripe thing with the transaction fees is too much trouble. And then it's free, like, we wanted to have it $1 to like say, the American dream of $1 and all that. But everybody that isn't making 10k a month with vibe coding, in my opinion, is just lazy. It's as simple as that, like, you can literally on Fiverr, on Upwork, all of them send you like DMs throwing money. If you just download the iPhone app or the mobile app, they throw money at you. Wait one moment. I worked since when you were there, stuff. But have you tried client projects OX or like launching your own projects? But we also mainly do this for. We also have a few vibe code streamers. If I can find the tab, let me see. Here. But definitely do also check out all the other streams. Tommy recently also hit 150. I'm setting up Fiverr right now. Nice. But nah, definitely with vibe code development you can make loads. I'm building big code for this game, man. Yeah, that's reasonable. But you just need to like, in my opinion, Fiverr you get to like pay the bills and just get like money from the clients, and then you can focus on money for your own projects. Just so, do Fiverr so you can pay the bills. Okay, I will update this more, but it's already looking decent. If I like do it full screen. Make sure the logo is a bit bigger, and also make sure that the background is transparent. You can try the Guardian program on Fiverr, but that you will need to fully check. I'm not 100% sure. How did you... It fully explains everything in OX. It fully explains everything in the PDFs, but I'll also tell it to you. You just get local clients, but I think my first client was on Fiverr even. But to like really kickstart your account, you need to do you need to like get a few local clients to Fiverr to kickstart it. And those PDFs fully explain it. They're free. Just download them, throw into AI, and then your AI is all the context. This I'll remove. This I like. This I also like, I suppose. Try and make the home exactly as it currently is on the old baked OS page. Also top right, the YouTube isn't needed. Just make it like in the widgets as it is like on the current baked OS with the home page. Or on the homepage. Also, for all the ones on, like, I will accept you all in the Dollar Vibe Club in a few because it works with, like, accepting people. So everybody that joins, I'll get you accepted. I built a little OS is more interesting yours a few days ago. I think I got a few. Nice. But I do say you don't need, like, a cool harness to make money. Like, I know a lot of, no hate, but there's so many people wasting or not wasting time, but you're spending too much time on things that don't make you money. First get clients in, make a few thousands, and then upgrade your subscription to like 20x. Because I know a lot of people, either they complain about tokens or not having like money with their vibe coded stuff, like try and focus on getting clients. Like forget all the rest, forget all the OS, like forget all the random side quests or side projects. Focus on getting clients first. Also, where's my tab? I forgot here. I'll approve some people that joined. Alright. So I'm just don't want to stare at the terminal. Just use Claude, don't use the terminal, just use the desktop app. In my opinion, just use the desktop app. It's nicer in my opinion. I have an ID for doll. Can you also make an Android where other people can create? Soon that will be like that. But we have a lot of things planned for the Dollar Vibe Club. You just need to implement it all, but we already have something like that planned. Okay, no, this is... Also, the YouTube embed, do check that it's linked to my channel, but I know you will figure it out. This is okay. Oh, this is just live channel socials. Okay, but it's already looking decent. I might change the background though. Yeah, but that's paid, Kason. Like, we mainly want to make this free, and then also just with donation buttons. Oh well, we removed those for now. We have some things planned, but that's for later on. Let me see. And in my opinion, you don't need all of those fancy courses. You can you have the whole internet, and you have AI to help teach you. I'll probably even use this one. Use the other video for a moment, or add a switcher that I can switch between the videos and the settings. Also add the soft pink video for now in the background. I just want to see how it looks. Or well, you'll figure out it's this thing. Nah, that is true though. Like you learn more online than in most schools. If you really, the internet has all the info you need. Like the internet has everything you need. If you want to learn something specific, you just search it on the internet and you have all the info you need. Okay, I'll wait for the AI to finish. We just need to wait. Also, let me see, what was this? But 8 out of 8, nice. But we'll make the best possible harness there is on the planet. Or, well, harness, like a bit different, but or command center. But I have some ideas, we just need it all up and running. And for the joke, I might make a local model. Or I think hosting it, just like, is it hosting it? Yeah. I saw they were having a discount again for like €1 or something. This I just need to remove that it doesn't have the transparency or like the black background. Maybe also try and add some of the nice visual lines that each block is kind of connected with some line to each other. Please add something like that. I'm just gonna also focus on the design while like some of the agents are doing the back ends. And now we just wait. Also, for all the ones new in the stream, do join Dollar Vibe Club. The link is here in the pinned, it's called pinned comment or pinned chat. Because we're having a live hackathon 12 hours straight. Everybody can join. Yeah, I better learn to them is food. Thank you for me. Yeah, if they don't ban like the AI in the school, or well, depends how you use it. Like if you're gonna use it during the lessons, then. Now everybody do go to live hackathon page. Link is here in the chat, pinned chat comment. It's gonna be a 12-hour long hackathon, and we have multiple prizes, Replit credits, 2 times 5x Cloud and 5 times Cloud, and everybody that joins gets Replit core. Are you running this stuff on look? What do you mean? The harness. The command center is now for now local. But this is the first time I'm making the command center, or the first stream I'm making this. If you mean like all my other AIs, what that I did work with is just all cloud or like rented. I just pay for the subscriptions. I don't use local models. But I might use one for the joke soon. Or just like have a small local model running on the Mac Mini. This doesn't work yet, by the way. This is just now a screen with some numbers on it. Like, this doesn't work yet. But I'm gonna, like, make it work after I have all the design in order. Wait, I'll give it a prompt in a few. Or I'll find Claude. Can you give me the full prompt for in like the design style number 2 to make the full tasks? Like I need the task tab. Just that we have like a way to note down the tasks for today or for the stream. Yo, Edit Verse, welcome to the stream. I'm doing great. I'm now making the command center. And I just want to make my own harness, see what it's all about, or what all the hype was or is about. Because I just used the subscriptions, like I just used the subscription chats to do all my projects. But now I'm gonna make like a nice fancy harness and then really use it. Let me see if Claude is cooking something up. Then we'll make this tasks and then we'll like edit this each stream or like during the streams. I submitted a project and that's it, and we'll see. Like at 12 August they will judge on the winners. Having local models is real nice when playing small bits of our pages of code have been okay. Of AI. Okay, true. But we will see. Well, for now, we'll have like a dark mode, a light mode of these videos. Ah, nice. What kind of project did you make, Forts? Or just a game engine, or what kind of project did you make? Ooh, this is nice too. Like, one of my programs uses a small local model to analyze attachments on a post when I click a button within a post is using to. Ah, nice. Nice. Well, I should also get more into local models, but I'll do that soon, once I get this all set up. Also, we'll build this, then I have like a nice to-do list extra made. I already had one kinda, but we'll make a new one in one program. What was my image against guidelines? Ah, okay, it was a build count, but we'll see. Wait, commands is that over? What is it? What's it doing on a browser, man? It's just for me to build on localhost, or what do you mean? I'm building the command center now, added first. I didn't have one before, not I want to update the one I had on Baked OS. Hugging Face is a plethora of purpose build. Yeah, I've heard of Hugging Face, I'll check that out also. Or Smorg at least. Let me see. I'll check it out now if I can copy the link. Cool. Let me see the project. Is it me or the link not working? But no clue why the link ain't working, but maybe I typed it wrong or copy pasted wrong in the chat. And also edit verse, you could also have it command center in the browser technically, or that is doable to do. Ah, the forwards.me. Okay, let me see. Okay, nice. What did I need to do? Click the button creates. Ah, nice. Well, you probably need a key. It doesn't look nice. I have no clue how to make things, but if the AI ever gets running, but I assume I just need to link my API key, then I will check it out more. But it does look nice already. I'll put it on this. It's not splitting up the tasks and sub-agents as far as I can see, sadly. Be sure to split up the tasks and sub-agents so everything goes faster. Let me see. Ah, yeah. You can change the UI and layout and design of this a bit, but just that you have the general gist of the task screen. Let me even see, what kind of AI harnesses are there even already made? Let me see AI Just want to see at the competition of it, AI command. Then maybe I have an ID for my own project. Who's this? Oh. Okay, this is just dribble, but like UI designs I can also get from there. This does look nice, but I think we already have like a decent design for everything. This is for Bitcoin trading, as far as I see. Yeah, even Google don't know what we're doing, man. We're just on another level. Yeah, dribble is good to find like designs. Okay, let AI waiting. Okay, updates that, that's good at least. But the design is good, so make logo bigger here. How did he debuff the? How did he debuff the layouts of the original? No clue. I will need to check why he did that, but now we just wait until the agents are done. What waitlist? Oh, for the application. If you joined the application, then I'll check it out soon, and then you'll probably be accepted if your application is decent. Or if you mean the Dollar Vibe Club, I'll accept you right now even. Let me see who else joined the Dollar Vibe Club in the time we were streaming. Okay, okay. Also, if you join the Dollar Vibe Club, please use Gmail, Hotmail, or a verified email. Don't use some shady ass email, because then I'll not accept you. Or just use a regular email, please. But I accepted you, I'm Kason, or I assumed that was you. Nah, I thought you joined the website, or I saw someone. Or well, it was a Gmail, so. Or it was added, that's also possible. So let me double check. Nah, it went through though. Yeah, you're accepted. Oh, let me see. It's all good. Now we just wait until it's all done. Does take a while, but then we'll have the whole command center up and running. And I only need to build this once or twice, or well, pretty much once. Also for the homepage, try and get the exact same style for the embed boxes as the original. This all just linked with my obsidian brain, that's no problem. This I'll probably not put on here, because that's like it, that I already have in a different program anyway. Now it's just mainly waiting. But all good. But I do have some things planned. This I'll probably remove. Or maybe I'll keep it just if I ever don't want to use the... what's it called? Whisper flow. What percentage are we on? 56. I might put it on 1.5 just because we have unlimited usage anyway, pretty much. So... maybe the AI will go faster, because we have it on Ultra anyway, so that's why the AI takes longer to do everything. Then soon we'll switch from the standard baked OS to the new one. Let me also check lot codes. Already let Claude go do some more research. Continue research for the V2 version of the command center. Just do all the research for all the extra features that we have an all-in-one command center with everything we need. Do note that it will be on localhost for now and not hosted on anything. But you can already do research for when we host it and like connect Superbase and all that. But for now it will just be local. And find out if there's a way we can like connect agents with just our subscription and that we don't need like API keys or anything. That we can just straight up let the agents, I know it's possible with session IDs and such, just let the agents wire themselves up and then update in the local host what they're like doing. But that we just maybe on the other screen have the tabs open. He knows what I mean, hopefully. We'll have a cloth code open on this screen. Now we just wait. Because I just don't want to use API keys because they're more expensive and I'm more used to like subscription based usage. My current flow is my pipeline summary in 1 creates the context for the local and flipping back and forth. Okay, nice. I'm going to see how my new flow will work, but we'll see. I might refill or get a new can in a few. But I think the V1 is almost done and then we'll start with the V2, get all the research up and running. Okay, give it a few while it fixes the page. But now I'm guessing I definitely do set up your Fiverr account and just check out the PDFs because now you're accepted. Go to $5.com, I'll show it again for all the ones new. On $5.com we have a few free PDFs everybody can download. Just go to $5.com, scroll all the way down, how to Fiverr for noobs, open group. Then go here, materials, download these PDFs and watch the videos. Just download the PDFs and skim through them. I would recommend you also read all of it, but worst case just skim through them and then feed them to your AI, just so he has all the context and helping you like set up your gig descriptions, your titles and so on. Ah, nice. Now get that Fiverr account set up and then you can start earning. And then here is also for local sales. Ah, crazy. Yeah, I do need to like verify or something for seller. But normally support on Fiverr always helps me, so normally it should also help. They're really helpful. Mostly. Or for me at least. But nah, Fiverr is goated. How much usage do we still have, especially because we're on the old car? Ah, it's all good. I do like the logo, we'll probably switch it, but yeah. Hey, I saw Mona Lisa yesterday in Louvre and the people there in the picture. What's happening again? Let me see. What are the Stop Oil protesters blocking something again? You meant you were in France. I remember. You were like on vacation in Paris. Should go to Paris also sometimes to see the Louvre or all the art. Even though I'm not that big of an art person, just because I can like, you can view it online. That's the thing. But I do get like seeing it face to face. The art, it's a bit different. Let me check what that was. Let me see. Alright. Currently I don't... I'll just call you AI. Currently I don't have the $200 plan. I currently have the 5x on both Claude and Codex. And then at the end of the month, the best one I'll give 20x again. But for me the usage just doesn't run out. I just have unlimited usage. That's why I'm like on the 5.6 fast. Also AI, let me know what you're currently building. Or let me know. Yeah, Codex is the best. No hate to Claude, but they need to step up their game a bit. But I do think Codex is... The thing with Codex is it has more freedom. For example, it has more access on your computer. It has just full access. Claude doesn't have full access to your computer. That's the main difference. Or Codex is more open to change things and like fully check all your files on your computer. And Claude is not really like that. Or well, you can use Claude Code Local and then it will do that too, but it's different. Codex is just more open to all that, without less restrictions. Claude is more... Kinda. I have both of them and I'll tell you all at the end of the month. Like, I'll tell you all at the end of the month which one I find better. But you can get the work done in all of them. Like, having one or the other shouldn't stop you from doing your work. Both are good. You could even... Or well, free models I would argue. But you can use any AI to get your work done. It's just some are better than the others. Even Wilter F is I mean, they're doing a lot of free so, but... I don't even check, I just have unlimited tokens pretty much. I don't even check it. And if it runs out, it runs out. But I also have Claude as extra, and it isn't that bad. You just have unlimited resets, in my opinion. Guys in Codex went to model Claude, but if you go smarter with... True. But both are decent. Like, you can make... If you make a SAS tool, you can get it done in both Claude or Codex. I would say some have... For example, Codex has the benefit of having ChatGPT Image 2 and Claude doesn't have that. The biggest real diff I've noticed that Claude carries content in large way more than... All the same, it's not too... Yeah, true. What I mainly do is like I have it make an MD file on every Git repo and let it update as it goes on. But yeah, most of it you can fix by just either Obsidian or something else. Okay, it just needs to update everything. What if I do? Okay, and then this should be able to do its thing. I have boats to, and to be honest, I'm doing better, and I have quite long uses in boat. I just didn't try Sol with Ultra yet. Yeah, both are decent. Like, both are good. But I'm now just what plan are you currently on? The 5x or the 20x? But at the end of the month, I will switch to 20x on one of them. I just need to decide which one. I'm leaning towards Codex because I also just like the image generation in it. Let me check. What is this? Skills should be in smaller boxes. Make sure that I can filter so it's like in 2 in each go instead of 1. That's like in 2 in each go instead of 1 plugin. Or skill, or whatever it's called. Also, you're allowed to add even more skills, maybe even try and make your own. I have 2 max accounts, 1 in claw. Ah, nice! 20x max, or just max as in 5x. But nice. And what are you currently building for projects? Just client work or a few personal ones? If you are building something nice, do join the Discord and share it in the project showcase. Everybody is like, it's nice just seeing all the kind of different projects and ideas people have. And then you can maybe see if somebody's kind of building the same thing as you. Oh, the UI is now together. Okay. Let me see for the new video. Add this new video too. Bro, there is a video in your Pride showcase. Yeah, there's loads of people there from all different countries. Let me even see which one you or who you mean. But there's so many projects from all over the world. It's very nice to see. Okay, once he adds this video, we'll see. We'll add this one too. Okay, let me check. Ah yeah, nice. Nah, there's so many nice projects from all across the world. It's just nice to see. Where is the video I downloaded? Let me see, this one. One 5x, 120x, they do research and stuff, not building apps. They do small apps from time to time, but just for my purse. Even with and Opus, you just burn your money. True. I do feel that Opus burns a lot too now, the last few days. Or well, the last few weeks even. It only has one other sub-agent, strange. I'm enjoying my last week of vacation. It's sports, enjoy, GG. And then next month, because I know you're probably not going to be able to join this buildathon, or hackathon, but we're going to do one every month, or try and do one every single month. Claude vs. Gamey, 10 million. Yeah, I didn't know the prices. I have tried, or I haven't tried Gimme that much. I just got like a free subscription from like the wheel, but I haven't tried it a lot. No, just getting random videos. I don't prefer to have two different if you don't want to spend. Yeah, true. Just you can get everything done with one subscription. Just like get money in the pocket and then you can see about getting more subscriptions. I just have multiple ones because I always liked ChatGPT. And ChatGPT is like the OG AI, and then Claude game, and then so on. Okay, that flow is also nice. Yeah, but I have too many comments to ever fully leave. Yeah, true, true. But that, oh well, that wasn't that big of a problem for me. Because now I mainly use Obsidian to get everything over. I'll keep a pro account on Claude just for testing and move the 20x. Also, I'm testing Quentry for students is quite doing very fast. Let me see. Quen. Yeah, but I'll probably also move the 20x to Claude, or Codex, I mean. But let me see. Quen and reasoning and problem solving. Might check it out. How expensive is it? That's the first question, if I can see it. It's the 25th. Can I see how much the pricing is? Pricing. Well, it's all from this. But I will check that like in depth later on. Okay, the design ain't that bad. It doesn't look good. And especially if it's like full screen, then it's like... I'll maybe make the video slower, but... Running Quent and as my local, they work really well. It's for Pro 7. Nice. Also, I'm Kason, what kind of work do you do, or what kind of project specifically? If I may ask. And then I like know like what it does. Also, let me see. Backlog stream today. Make this video a bit smaller by, or well, move slower, I mean, by 30 to 40%. How is Claude or how's the other author? Quickly tell me, so how will we do this? Like, how will we connect the chats to this, that it just like pops up in there? Before I do anything, let me even see what it's gonna say. I'm cybersecurity engineering college. This started my fixation on, but I'm also gov, so the actual person building is sim. Ah, okay, nice. Cloud code session, where is it? And for codecs, will it work the same way? Or just that I know. PSA Gulf contracting is a USA. Ah, okay, nice. But I don't know that much about the USA government contracting. Or I just know it's like more common in USA than here in Europe. Here is the full prompt, you can get started on that too. Yes. I thought it was already in the main prompt that you gave me from the research. Do you use me as a alt answer deriving from within the, I think of it like the reverse phase. Ah, yeah, the reverse phase. True. Also, I don't know when you said that, I remembered some marketplace where the US sold their old stuff, or the old government. I forgot the marketplace name, I just know it's like some marketplace where the US government sells all kinds of random stuff from impound. Let me see what this is. Okay. You can use sub agents to get the speed and everything up and running faster. I'm already at 90% usage for Claude. Crazy. Literally ink pens to fight, they have to send out a listing requesting to complete whatever they need. Yeah, crazy. Yeah, it's a bit different here Dash than in Europe. Should refill this or else the scan is empty. Okay, I'm happy with this, how it came together. So based on Quen, I burned 80 million tokens, I went through only 10%. Nice! Now I will check Quen out then, and just maybe use it as a local model. But I will probably also, I will stick with Claude probably. Or well, with Claude or Codex instead of all the other models with the $20 plan. I will check out all the models like Gimme and Quen, but still in my view, in my opinion, it's still Anthropic and Claude are the best ones. I'm not saying you can get your work done in all of them. You can use all of them and just get your work done. But I just have more faith in the mainstream models. Also, make sure that there's just a button for the memories, that there's just a button that I can flick on all of the skills. No, this Quentry, it is pretty much like Gimme, it's not low. Ah, okay. Nah, but I just meant in general, but I'll check it out. Much like... Well, if I can I'll just log in and see. Like what the subscription is. I will not download the app yet. I just want to see how much it costs. Or just what you get for the subscriptions, I mean. Okay. Okay, clean UI. Okay, interesting. Why can't I immediately see my subscription? Also, I saw that there was a Hugging Face link. Ah, I saw Alibaba closed. That's who. Bah, I have no way to Alibaba. We'll see if it's like decent Hugging Face here. Okay. So many lawsuits against them in the US for stealing private data. Okay, that I do need to keep in mind. For me, I don't really care if they steal my data, just because most of my data is like public anyway. Or well, API keys maybe I don't want to have public. Anything API key related I would prefer to stay private. What is this, Ricci? How much? 500 USD, and then you can have a robot connected to AI. It's on my Raspberry Pi. Wait, reach mini your Mac, Raspberry Pi, CM. Interesting. So you can see, like, there's so many people making interesting things in the space. It's so insane. I'll use this. I'll need to like remember for just models and so on. Anything that touches Tencent is required to report 100% of its data to the Chinese government. Alibaba wants to sell. They also sell the info they collect and anyone money to. Yeah, I know that's true. Like, I've heard about that, but for me, most of my data, I don't care if they got it. The only thing I don't want them to get is API keys and everything, or passwords, or when there is like a big data leak that I don't want it. Want all my data out there. Oh, like, why is the AI struggling so long to get the video fixed? But we already did a decent bit, so all good. And this seems to work as far as I can see. This is just... It's from Anthropic themselves. It's not linked to anything. This is literally a Claude scale. Strange. API... Yeah, true. Cool. Let the AI do its thing and wait. I'm already happy what it's like giving us. Content pipe, I have nothing to hide. Yeah, same. Just not my API keys. That's the only thing I don't want them to have. Because I do say sometimes I just throw my API keys in the chat with the agent or with the AI. Just because I know I don't rotate the keys sometimes. But I know in the chat they're safe. If they're like in Claude, I know they're safe. Or when I like give the... That it's like not in the variables, that's just straight in the chat. Then I know it's safe, but like you say, for those models, always like... True. Cool. The AI is taking its time though. What's this? Yo, the Traveler, welcome to the stream. I'm now making this agent. Claude told you he was going to go. W Claude. And then Fable 5 got shut down. Sadly. But I do feel Fable 5 is still debuffed, they didn't change it. Just feels 5.6 is better now in my opinion. Just they debuffed Fable 5. bro, like AI is taking too slow, and I have no clue what these 3 taps are. Like, I need to, just because it isn't wired up. Yeah, this I know is for agents. This is just all the skills, and I know some of these are just on the computer and MCPs. That's fine. No straight reviews tried to ban debugging from updating after that. Yeah, I saw and heard about that. Like, but I'm happy it's all kinda fixed. And that we have Fable 5 back and all that. Cool. I'll just throw in the description. What is this? Okay. I thought it was back for pro plans. Or I have Fable 5. Or when, do you mean when the date ends? I do think they will put it back. Oh wait. Ah, never mind, I'm on the max plan. I don't think they're gonna put it back for pro plans. I think it will only be the 5x and 20x plans for now. Should maybe get a way to like make the video sync longer, but it's fine. Like each 20 seconds he like resets the video because it isn't on a loop. Is there a way I can loop it? Game with key traders would fail, but does a fraction of the cost, so if it doesn't come back they're gonna lose a ton of business. That I haven't tested Gimme that in depth, but from what I saw, it's around Opus level, but I might be wrong. To get something out of fail, you need minimum. Yeah, that is honest though. That is true. Because the usage just gets eaten too fast, and that's the main problem. I think fail prevent something. What I do say, 5.6 is more sustainable, just because it doesn't eat my credits. Like here I can go on ultra fast. Everything, my credits are okay. With Fable 5, 30 minutes on the max and it's gone. With 5.6 I can put everything to the max with extra speed, no problem. That's the only difference. I would say they're on the same level, it's just 5.6 doesn't eat as much usage. And that's the main thing. So what even is my AI doing at the moment? Well, he's just updating his documents. That's not what I'll just wait until he's finished and I'll let these prompts go through. Localhost 3000. Okay, but it's already looking nice. I'm already happy with what it's like giving us for design for the command center. And then we'll just fine tune upon it and then we'll see. I will get it like better icons. I'll like probably just give it the icons of the model itself. And Gemini research I will only use for like videos and images. I don't use Gemini for anything else. This I will probably skip, who knows. Just because I don't use that as much for deployment. I just use Replit for to deploy everything, I mean. Okay. Something like that. Or well, now there's no sub-agents active, but I'll throw in another prompt. But yeah, I'm running like multiple sub-agents on 5.6 on fast, and my usage is fine. But I'm on the 5x though. I'm not on the 20x or on the Pro, just on the 5x. So maybe that's the reason it doesn't run out. Ah, nice. Yeah, I mainly use Gemini just for videos. Now, Replit is very nice. If you're gonna do a client project, for sure do it in Replit. It has changed a lot, but I would say it's decent. It's very nice. It's the best tool for client projects at the moment. It's expensive though. It's expensive, so don't waste credits on it. Just use it when you're doing clients and like want to get it done flawlessly and quick. Now we just wait. For all the ones new in the stream, do join the Vibe pinned comment, or the link is in the pinned chat comment. We're doing a live hackathon at the 25th in 72 hours and 40 minutes. And we're gonna be live for 12 hours straight, and we're giving away Replit credits, 2 5x Claude plans, and then 5 times Claude, and everybody that joins and or is present will get a Replit core account for free. And you will just need to like use the code, give it in, and then you'll have a pro account. It's like 20 bucks. We already have 22 people joining, a few live streamers. And then how it will work is just in the classroom, everybody will be here, and your screen will be shared. Guys, see we already have like multiple people in different rooms. Nice. Okay, he's like multiple sub-agents. Nice. When I end, I'll probably end stream in like 30 minutes or so. But I'll probably let the AI go on autopilot. Just because I know the backend is going to be boring and I'm gonna need to like let the AI run it for an hour or two. But then once it's done, it will be all up and running. How it will work with session hooks. And like I will just make sure that every agent is linked via, or just every time it starts a session, it will automatically start a session hook and wire it up in here. Only use Gemini has... Yeah, true. No, also video generation is also nice in Gemini, DPSO. In my opinion. I know there's better image generation tools, especially Higgsfield, but I used to like use Gemini a lot for that. But for like client projects, I always use Envato for videos. It doesn't even fully loop. Looped, no. Let me see, let me see. There should be a way I can like click looped no here. Then I'll like get a nice background purple or something. You might need to resize the video because it's quite big in size. But I want this used because it's also better for the looped. Just add it in the settings for the videos. Just because the looped is better, then it doesn't like have the cutoff. Because every 20 seconds it has like this glitch. Yeah, like that. As far as with this one, it's nice and looped. Yeah, here. But genuinely, 3.5 Pro for code is currently generally unusable for even Gemini Flash. True. I've never used Gemini for coding actually, I just use it for the videos. When I use it. Yo, are you? No, I'm not gonna go to university, Emma Lion. Because well, controversial opinion, I'm just not a big fan of it. And I'm 18, and if I wanted to do and study what I was gonna study, normally I was gonna be a bookkeeper or like finance guy. I know it's like trend. I was just normally gonna do people's taxes. But then I needed to study for another 6 years, and then I would have been making less money than I do now. Kinda. Like, if I completed my degree and everything, then I would be paid less than I'm currently, so. But yeah, well, you could argue, well, once I then start my own finance tax business and do people their tax filings and everything and get paid a bit more, but I'm 18, making like 10k a month pretty much, so I prefer not to go to university. In my opinion, you just learn everything you need online. You can learn literally anything you want online, and that's better than most schools. Even half of Harvard's classes are free, like Harvard's online. But there's better courses than Harvard, but like... Yeah, that's also something, DPSO. And even if you could argue, you can go to Harvard and read all the free courses, or like all the free classrooms. I forgot the streamer that did that, but there was some guy that literally just went to Harvard for coding with all the online classes, or whatever it's called. But like, in my opinion, university is a scam. I shouldn't say it, because I know a lot of people do go that, and it's like the way that also all the parents say and like pressure you to go, but most companies aren't even hiring it, especially in white collar. If you go to blue as like... Yeah, might be. But for me, I'm just gonna vibe code online, live my life, start companies. And I'm happy as like my life is now. I got my own apartment, I make enough money to live stably as an 18-year-old. And I do plan to travel again in like 8 months. For the coming 8 months, I'll stay here, locked in, streaming every day. But then at the end of the 8 months, I'll travel again. Probably Asia or something. Or I'll go back to Thailand for a bit. The only disadvantage you have as an 18-year-old is if I want to like get the DTV visa in Thailand, you need to be 21 years old, and I'm not 21 years old. Let me see where it is. Or maybe they changed it. Yeah. The problem is I'm not old enough to like get a visa. It's more about what you want to do that is not a scam, but it's more about what you want to do that is... Yeah, true. Like, in my opinion, no hate, but an art degree you don't need. I'm not hating on all degrees. Yeah, I mean, I plan to go study in software so I can like... Yeah, but that is nice. For me, in my opinion, coding you can learn online. Or most software you can learn online. More than most teachers can teach you on school. Oh, we got another Fiverr message. Okay, wait, it's in a different language. Wait, I need to... Like, when I read a different language, like French or well, this is now a Dutch client, and my accent changes. So, let me lock in with this for a moment. Let me see... Like, sometimes I literally don't know what I'm selling them. Like, sometimes I just let AI write the brief. I'll wake up or check my phone, and then I have like 5k in the pockets. Like... What did I sell this guy? Okay, Airbnb websites, listings, 20 of them. Yeah, I agree, but I'm currently working on them as well. I don't care what they think, Mr. Lion. I make more money than them and then their parents mostly, so... And most of them, they know I'm doing good. Just because when I was younger and I was still in high school, in the summer vacation, I just went on vacation with myself or just with my family. I just went to Thailand and they all knew like, okay, he's living that vibe coder online or internet money life. They don't care. They know I'm doing good, so... And they're happy for me, so... And some people will hate. Like, I had people in high school saying, but that's not a real job and you won't get money from it. But then I was like, Man, I already make more than you and the teachers, so I'm good at web dev and I'm just promoting the so. Nah, nice. Nah, but I like Thailand, but it's too warm for me. Too warm. Like, I die from the heat. Let me see. Wait. Ja, we kunnen zeker eens een call inplannen. En ik zal kijken wat ik voor het budget kan doen. Okay, 3k. Yeah, as soon as you make money with it, they shut up. Yeah, if you just show them that you're making money, most of them shut up. True. But I would just, in my opinion, uni is not a waste of time, but you could learn much more online. If you're going to, just go to uni for the degree. That's pretty much it. If you really need a degree to do the job you want, get a degree. Go speaking Minecraft. Yeah, the humidity is just too crazy. That was the main problem for me. And even in the aircon, it's crazy. Yeah, but we need to, like, sometimes you need to speak, like, the Minecraft enchantment language with clients or whatever. But it's useful. I will give everybody a tip in, like, sales and everything. If you can speak another language than English, you literally have free clients. For example, the French and the Dutch. If you speak that language, all the old people, they will work with you. Because a lot of the old people are like 40, 50s. They refuse to speak English. So if you can like speak French, German or Swedish or whatever European language, speak it to those clients. And they're like, they like you more if you do that. What's the attraction? It's cheap. You have 7-Elevens, nice beach. You have like, you can go to the shooting ranges, scuba. You can go to a lot of the animal zoos if that's your thing. See the crocodiles, have a snake in your neck. And it's just cheap. Good food, 7-Elevens, Bolt. Yeah, the Bolt, and then shoot. I'm second. Yeah, I can understand a bit of German and French from school, but it's like... But if you're German, you can sell to German clients. If your German is decent or like fluent, you can sell to like the 40 and 50-year-old German people, because they refuse to speak English sometimes, and then you get extra clients. Johnny, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Shooting in a second. Yeah, true. For the shooting ranges, you just go to the USA. Event ID and. But I just say Thailand because that was like, it's the main hotspot for all the digital nomads because of this digital, yeah, the DTV visa. Or Destiny. The online nomad visa, pretty much. If you're 21 and making Wi-Fi money, get the DTV online visa in Thailand. I cannot get it yet because I'm like, I need to be 20 or 21. But when I am that age, I'll get the visa. And then I can stay there like 5 years without problem. Cool, the AI is taking its time though. Let me see. Misschien is het handiger om eens te bellen. What's the... Sometimes I literally don't know what I sell it for to them. Okay, but I'm all good. We're now just waiting for the AI to finish. Alden, it's like, it's slowly coming together. I do like what it's doing. We just need to wait. Why don't I want to be a digital nomad, Mr. Lion? See the world, see places. Like, I'm definitely going to travel. I don't want to be in one spot. I want to visit Europe, America, Asia. I want to see the world, man. It's like, when I'm still young. And I'm not a digital nomad. I'm not gonna be like backpacking. I'm at least gonna stay like 3 months in each country. I'm not gonna like move each week. Just like get Airbnb or like rent a place 2-3 months in that country. see what it's about, and then move on to the next. I have a Mac Mini. Right, I'll switch screens. Okay, if my camera works. Here, yeah. Like, I have a Mac Mini. I just take this thing with me. I buy some AR glasses, and we all good. Come to me, I know some... And which country, Alden? Or Bosnia? Yeah, you were from Bosnia, if I remember correctly. But I know, definitely, I do want to east all the Slavic and Baltic, or Balkan countries too. And also Baltic. Yeah, definitely, I want to see the world when I'm still young and like can do all the crazy stuff like scuba diving and all, and climbing a mountain. I do, in Thailand I did climb a few mountains and it was fun. I forgot what the mountain was called, or well, mountain. It was a very big hill, but still, it was fun. There was like a Thai flag on the top of it, you could see like the sunset and all that. And then you had like a few people going with ATVs through the jungle instead of doing the climb. Nah. Just see the world when you're young, especially if you have Wi-Fi money. You can make money from everywhere. Why would you do it in your... Well, not hating on your on like Belgium, but you can make money everywhere. So why would you stick in your home country? If you can move, see the world, like see the US, see the entirety of Europe, see the entirety of Asia and everywhere. What do you mean no visa? Or what did I say? What did I say? It was just a hill, or well, mount. It just there was the Thai flag at the top of the hill, or what do you mean? But no clue what I said. But no, just travel the world, see everything, and then all good. Also, the AI is taking a bit too long for me, man. It's been 2 hours 20, we haven't seen a lot of progress. I know he's doing a lot for the backend, but the backend I don't see. Ah, you call that mountain a hill? Ah, yeah. Hill, it was kinda, I don't know what it was classified as, but it was like a hill or mountain, but who knows. But nah, Thailand is nice to visit. If you're making the Wi-Fi money, do visit Thailand. It's cheap, you have Bolt. The main 2 places I would go to in Thailand is Phuket and Bangkok. But Bangkok is only fun for a week because the smog is very heavy. It like gets into your lungs. If you're not used to it, you will start coughing up a lot of slime in Bangkok. So only stay there for like a week and then just go to Phuket. And Bangkok, the only things you can do in Bangkok is pretty much party. There's just parties everywhere and tuk-tuks racing and people being drunk. And you have like some nice events, but Bangkok is mainly like the party city. Just go to like Phuket if you want to chill. Oh, the AI is taking its while though. Did I already add my new videos? No. And when I do this like agent alert, I'll link it up with my phone, or I'll make sure the AI can send me like SMS. But nah, I'm just gonna work another good year, get that Wi-Fi money, start a few more companies, get them all up and running, and then we'll travel the world a bit. Then I'll do travel vlogs, then we'll do vibe code and travel vlogs. Just showing, because yeah, travel vlogs do also get a lot of views, from what I saw at least. But bro, the AI is taking its time, man. Okay. I will give them like real icons, I think. Because these were the 5 styles we could have chosen from, but I like this the most. Then we'll just give them the real icons and then we all good. But I will check out Hugging Face just because of all the models and all of that. And I think there was also repos. The hackathon was good, but I don't know if I won. It's the 12th of August. We'll either get an email or notification. But our project is good, but it's like not award winning. But we'll see. We will see if we win. What's your favorite broodje? I tried kip curry in a restaurant in Bali once. I'm thinking. Good question actually. Actually, I don't eat that much broodjes. I mainly just get a worstenbroodje most of the time. Or a smos. For all the ones that don't know what that is, it's like Belgium or Dutch food. Or a broodje is just like bread. Or... Oh, the AI is taking his time though. I don't know, I just made a quick video, we'll see. Like, the project is nice and it works. That's the main thing. It works if you link your repo, it just gets on it. And I just gave it like a free API key. But I think you can use the API key like once or twice and then it gets empty. Or like maybe 10 times. But all good, it's just like the MVP anyway. But even then, I'll probably launch the project. If we don't win the Buildathon or OpenAI Build Week, I'll launch it anyway. With like linked in to the $5 Club as like a debugger and all that. Or like to help with your startup and make your pitch and all that. And what were you coding it then? And Claude, or what were you coding it in then? But yeah. Needed to be in 5.6, sadly. What is this in the corner? In 5, okay. Then you were kinda cooked though. Nah, but we will see if we win, we will see. And if we win, then we'll do a live stream, but it will be in September though, because the tickets you get are only for in like September, if I remember correctly. Exchange. Yeah, 29 December. In San Francisco. Okay, the AI is almost done with the second phase, and then we can continue. Did he? Oh yeah, he didn't add my videos yet, sadly. Damn, you win, you can pay for a down payment for a house? I don't know what economy you're living in, but here it's more expensive to buy a house in Belgium at least. Or at least a 30 or 20. Or half a down payment is more. If it was 15, then the economy would have been healing. But yeah. But later on in life I do want to get into real estate. But that's for like later on. Like, and then I'll see if I'll like buy houses in Belgium. I kinda wanna stay then in my home country to like buy property, but who knows. I'm thinking, what other features does a harness actually need? Like just nice view. Memory with all repo skills and all random stuff in it, and MCPs. What else does it actually need? This is all fixed, so it's like a bit bigger because it looks strange. Maybe animated logo for the fun of it. This runtime browse. This I'll probably skip just because I don't want to. I'll probably link it with like local host for now. Content I'll probably do. Finance I have another thing for. Streams maybe. And this just to start the stream always, but you normally should be able to copy the standard view. And then we'll see. And also for all the ones new in the stream, definitely do join dollarviable.com. The link is in the pinned comment and also just here in the pinned chat. Go here. The link will bring you to the live hackathon. It's a 12-hour long hackathon and we're giving away Replit credits, 2 times 5x Claude, 5 times standard Claude, and then everybody that joins gets a free Replit account. Or you'll just get emailed the code, you give it into Replit, and then you have your 20 bucks worth of subscriptions. And everybody can join, you just need to go here, fill in the application, and then if you're accepted, you'll be among these 22 people. All the rules and details are on this page and you can just go through it all. Okay. I'm probably gonna end the stream in over 30 minutes and then I'll cook some foods. But then we had a good run and I'll probably let the AI go on auto build for the backend. Just because the backend, it's just gonna need to work 1 hour or 2 hours on the backend. Make it all up and running. How much usage we on even? 50 and we're on like 5.6 ultra fast. We have unlimited credits pretty much, like, nice. And this streams I'll probably connect ChatGPT image 2 and I'll just let him generate thumbnails. Also everyone in the chat, do let me know what you all think of the thumbnail. Or if I should like, what model I should use. Personally I like the thumbnail, it was made by ChatGPT image 2. And like, if you can prompt it like correctly, if you can prompt the AI correctly, it will give you the most fire prompts you can use for like YouTube and everything. If I can find my own stream. Alright. Then here has these two, and then we should be good. I'll update probably the screen a bit more, but it's already looking good for like a harness. I'll make these lines better, because I see it's like a bit broken. Because this is just for the fun of it, like these lines, to just show how all the AI bots are connected, but it doesn't do anything. This is nice, and I just need to make sure this all works when I enable them. No clue if that works, but who knows. Now probably later today I'm just gonna spam out videos. Because what I noticed with shorts and everything, I did more research. And I'm like, I know a lot of you are probably not gonna hate because I don't have the proof yet, but I think getting viral on Insta and so on is easier than most think, because the templates, what I saw, because I like did some research, all of it is not heavily edited. It's just like a white block, black text, and then just somebody yapping on the camera and just speaking. And that's a lot how the viral videos are. Alright, GGL or AI. But it was fun having you here, and definitely do join the Dollar Vibe Club. Because we have free courses there and we're giving away free subscriptions and also doing competitions. But nah, it was fun having you here. GG. The AI is truly taking its time though, but we will see when it's done. Let me even see like AI commands, enter, dashboard. I know some reason this This viewer will LARP like they are very nice. Which one? Who's LARPing? You know something recently this viewers, these will LARP like they're... Yeah, I do notice, like, I've also noticed that, but I will like... I don't know, like there's like people with no subscription that are like saying, but this model is the best, but they don't have the subscription. Like if you haven't tested the AI for yourself, I don't think your opinion is valid just because it's like word of mouth you're hearing it. In my opinion, you should test the model yourself before you say something. Not here, but a lot of the... Just test the model yourself before, like, a lot of it is word of mouth from what I see. Like, a lot of them saying, but Kimmy is so goated, but they don't have the 20x or $200 subscription to have a valid opinion on it. I know. But who knows, who knows. Cool, the AI needs to lock in, please. What is this? I'll see for the AI command center what we'll do exactly. It's like they watch their first and believe it. Yeah, it's something like that, I agree. Let me see if I can find my screenshots. Cooked. But I'll find it someday, Or like figure out some new design. I do like this design already, but the homepage needs to be improved, and I also want like an overview screen. Because this agent screen I'll be on for most of the time. This I'll never be on, pretty much. This is just for me, this is for content pipeline where I'll just put thumbnails. Okay, the codex is locally, so normally once like each codex session starts, it will wire itself up and it will appear here once this is fixed. I think it's that, data leak or data lake. Also, soon, I'll probably do it later today, I'll get my Upwork sorted. Because I do that off stream because I like need to fill in some info, private info. But I do want to get my Upwork up and running, just because that's like an extra market. LinkedIn, what I want to like focus on this year is LinkedIn, Dribbble, Upwork, YouTube, Insta, and Twitter maybe. Just for the tech Twitter. Just to like shitpost on Twitter and like see who Elon reposts once a while. Okay, this one is done also. Cool. I'll probably end stream then in 10 minutes or so, 20 minutes, but then we're already good to go. Yeah, Upwork and Ecom, but Dribbble you can also make money from. I also used Dribbble before, and you can get clients from Dribbble. Dribbble is a very good platform. But you need to invest in it. It's less investing than Upwork, but it works kind of the same way. So the client makes a post and he's like, hey, I need a bakery website, and then all the freelancers spam him with messages and then he gets to decide. And Fiverr is, I like checked all the other freelance platforms. Fiverr is one of the only ones where the client goes and looks at the people, at like all the sellers. And then like Upwork and Dribbble, it's the client posts and the freelancer that's the fastest. And like gets the client's attention and the message gets him. And on Fiverr the client can really think and look at all the profiles and like see, okay, this one I like, and then send the message. So let me see. Let me see what he had on this. What is this? Okay, all good. Nah, but ecom I do want to get into, but I did more research on ecom. You just need to invest. That's the main thing. You need to invest a lot in ads, but that's on everything. That's also on YouTube if you want to get lots of traction. But I'll soon also throw some ads in YouTube. I'm using the impeccable scale for the small control change. Okay. Okay, didn't add mine yet. Okay, I'll figure that out later. So pretty much I need to just open a codex chat. I'll open one here. Plugins or skills, create. I would actually need every start, so every session that starts, the agent would need to do this as first. I'll probably end the stream in a few, like I'm getting hungry. I'll see what I'll eat. I'll probably cook some lamb, some rice. I'm using the plugin creator skills. Okay. Okay, once it all... I thought it was gonna be harder, but... So, I'm gonna mainly use this as like, for the fun of it, and to just show it all built into here, but we'll see. Because it's not gonna be a true harness, because I'm not using API keys, I'm just using skills and everything, and like a nice UI to show all the agents that are working, pretty much. But normally, it should be able to create sub-agents and put them in here. As far as I know. Ecom is kinda a gamble. I did some research. It's not a gamble, but you just need money to invest in ads. Like, just heavily in ads, and that's the thing. If you do dropshipping, it's less of a gamble, but... Keep going, just on the wall. True. But for now, I'll probably focus on just vibe coding, web design. Because that's where my money comes from, and that's what all my jobs are on Fiverr and also personal clients. It's just vibe coding, making projects, websites, SaaS tools. But later on, I will do ecom. I will do branded projects later on. If I can get the Vital off the ground. For now, when I do the Vital, I'll get my friend to like give me a code to like buy pre-workout, to like sell and promote the pre-workout that he sells. It's only European though, as far as I know. All the stuff he sells. But then I know I have like a few influencers that can promote the app too. Okay. The AI is cooking, hopefully. The spell change local gadget state on does not install, execute, or assign any skills. Okay. But I'll slowly end off and do my whole pep talk after 5 minutes. And we are like 10-minute mark, and then I yap for 10 minutes. A bit of about mindset, and it's truly the time to be alive, make money. It's never like... It's so crazy if you really think about it. Even 10k a month is so crazy. Like, or well, 10k a month, like if you give it to the government, your part, it's like 9k if you like earn 12 and all that, and Fiverr, but... It's so crazy if you really think about it. Like, that you can earn 10k as an 18-year-old, or even Like, that you don't need to have a whole diploma or work your way up the corporate ladder and all that. That you can just start making that. And it's so crazy because I only have 30 reviews on Fiverr. If you really think about it, it's so crazy that people literally... I'm only on Fiverr currently. And yes, I'm employed with some other companies, but that I don't show on the revenue on the stream. The 31k is all from Fiverr. And that's after Fiverr takes their 21%. Do note. So... I actually made around 40k, Fiverr takes like 21 and all of that, but 31k after all Fiverr takes their cut and all that is so crazy if you really think about it. Like, if I was on like a student job, like either cleaning toilets or like doing some corp or like events as like security or whatever I need to do at like some party, event or club, then I would be paid way, way less. For example, you get paid 16 an hour in like some party or like an event like Puckle Pop. No, that's the least of my worries, Sumo. My worries is about like getting 100k a month. I never worry about money or like the bills getting paid. I always have enough over. Like, Fiverr is enough. If I even only had Fiverr, it would be enough to sustain myself. But also get a few client or like personal projects. Do loads of stuff. Like, get your income from multiple things. But I am never worried about the bills. But no, like, if I really think about 16 an hour on like Puckle Pop or something. Yeah, and then you work like 12 hours if you do the long shifts. 12 hours, 16, yeah, around 180 euros. And then you need to pay tax after also. So 180 euros for like working as a slave pretty much at like an event, day and night giving drinks and cleaning. For 12 hours straight you get 180 bucks, or well, euro. And then for one website, it's like, yeah, you do a website. My cheapest website I ever sold was like 1,000. But yeah, 1,000 in like a few hours. Because a regular website without a lot of backend is like 3 hours. Or even less. I would say 3 hours. So I get like paid in each hour 333. Like, it's so crazy if you think about it. That there's like student you make one. Yeah, or actually, it depends on what country though. I know American doctors make way more than Europeans. But yeah, true. Even now, like if I was studying bookkeeping, it wasn't like, I would have, or finance. I know it's not called bookkeeping in English, but it's like tax filings. That you just, bookkeeping in French and Dutch and German is like tax filings. So if I studied 6 years to become like a tax filer or like checking taxes, then I would have been paid less because I wasn't gonna get paid 10k a month as a bookkeeper or tax person or finance guy after I finished my studies that I didn't know already from the get-go. Nah, but it's so crazy that the internet... It's just so crazy that you can get paid 7.5 or like 10k for each project. Like, I've had projects 10k. It's so crazy. Yeah, accounting. I don't know why I say bookkeeping, yeah, accounting. But it's so crazy about that if I would have studied that for 6 years long, I would have been paid less than now. And the student debt isn't that bad in Belgium. Like here the student debt is pretty much zero. You have to do accountants for the... What, do I need to be like Saul Goodman or what? Or well, he was a lawyer, but still. But yeah, we don't have those in Belgium. Then I would need to go to what's it called in America? New Mexico. But no. Like, it's so crazy if you think about it. Like, 10k a month on fire on just Wi-Fi money with vibe coding. And you don't really work that... You do need to work and put in the effort on client projects, but like compared to regular jobs, like as like a bartender or like cleaning or working in the supermarket, it's so crazy that you can make $300 a hour pretty much. If you like really calculate those prices, it's like 80 or like 100 an hour. That's so crazy, especially on my age. I find that number quite... It's insane. But we are living in like insane times. Like you can really... I truly believe you can become a millionaire in this day and age from just online money. You just need to figure it out, get that Wi-Fi money. It's different for, you can ask like 100 millionaires and they will have a different response on how they got rich and all. Remember to save, don't, yeah, that I do. I do save money and I invest it, but like you also need to live a little. I do keep and spend a lot of, or well, not spend, I invest a lot of my money. So if I ever have a month where I make zero, I will have money to like pay my bills and all. But I have never had a month I had zero income. I always made something, and like these last months at least. Or like in the last 7 months. Okay, what is this? Okay, he's working on the last prompt. Yeah, investing I also do. I'm not gonna say my investments, but crypto is good. Just only invest in the main tokens. Don't invest in all the shady meme tokens. But that's for later. Once crypto is like valid again, then I'll talk about it more. Or I'll talk about it again. Once crypto is like all good and like has things happening. But nah, it's crazy in this day and age. Just on Fiverr you can definitely, as a starter, if you just get it up and running, get a few local clients, you can scale in like 3 months to 10k a month. If you're like me, you can scale it to 10k a month. Or around that price. No, I don't invest all my money in crypto. No opinion, no comments on my crypto portfolio. No comments on my crypto portfolio. But no, I switch it around a lot. I don't have a lot of it in it, so. I used to do crypto a lot, but that's a different story with like crypto gaming. But a bit of a bit of lore. I used to be a crypto gamer on this game. Shout out to Big Time though. Your game is kinda shit now, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, but I had fun playing y'all's game. Got some money from it too. I do find it sad the crypto market crashed, but Open Loot, The Sandbox, all great crypto games. Do not invest in it now, but you could make like a decent buck of it. Like from just playing video games. I didn't make thousands or tens of thousands with this. I know some people that did, but crypto gaming has potential, but for later, not for now. Yeah, but it's not, it's different. Like the whole crypto gaming aspect is like every in-game item and token is like either a crypto token or like an NFT, and then you sell those and so on. But I did earn money from it. Not as much as vibe coding though. I would recommend everybody to stick to vibe coding. You get way more money from that. Like vibe coding is the way to go. Crypto gaming and everything is that. Don't even mention that. For the coming 5 years at least. For 3 to 5 years, crypto and crypto gaming will all be that, or Web3 crypto gaming. Also, is my video added? Come on. Then I can like see the new background and then we'll see. But no, you can make a buck from, you can make money from crypto. You used to be able to make money from crypto gaming and Web3 gaming and all that stuff, but there were so many scams. Like if you were in the big 2022 in crypto gaming, then you all good. But if you were in the days after that in it, forget about it. There were so many people scamming each other, like insane. Also, I'll end the stream slowly here, but we had a good run. I'll give the AI a moment because I want to see how the back count looks. And then I'll give my motivational pep talk at the end. Cool, I give the AI a few moments, man. Like, and also I'll lower this because now I'm not gonna be streaming in a few. But for all the ones new in the stream, I'm saying again, join the $vibeclub.com, link is here. Join the live build-a-thon, we're giving away Replit credits, 5 times Claude, and 5 times the regular Claude code, and then also a free Replit core count for everybody that joins. Okay, come on, give me my video, and then I can check, and then I can give my my motivational speech. Here. And these are looped, so these will look a bit nicer than the current ones, hopefully. Also, what's this? Cool. I want to see my video, and then we all good. Come on. Okay, but we did get a far way. Like, the codex hook already works. The backend is slowly getting there, so after this, when I end the stream, I'll just let it do the full backend, make sure it all works, adding all the skills and like adding all my comments. Like, I have a lot of comments in my Obsidian database, for example, no AI dashes in my text, nor briefings, and all of that stuff. And then hopefully the AI can one-shot 10 out of 10 designs for my websites, who knows. Then he has like all my knowledge embedded, who knows. But come on. I want the AI to finish. But I'll just already start giving my speech. But no. Everybody! I'll end the music so I can give my speech. But no. It's truly, I'm gonna say this again. Hop on Fiverr. Hop on Upwork. What is the comments about? What comments? Or what do you say? Which one? Yeah, it's like the rules that they follow what I want. For example, if I... Just that they know my design preferences and they don't give me AI slop. That they have like rules to follow. But I'll give my speed. But no, truly everybody. It's truly... You can... If I can make 10k a month as an 18-year-old fresh out of high school, y'all can do it too. Like... Even 5k a month, like 10k a month is maybe shooting a bit to the stars for a lot of people, but getting 2k a month is as extra, as a side hustle via vibe coding is so doable. Either do local, do Fiverr, do Upwork, you can make money with everything. A few people here even get clients via Upwork, or not Upwork, what do I say, LinkedIn. You can get people everywhere. Worst case, you cold call a few local businesses, or you literally walk into their door and say, hey, y'all want a website? It's so crazy. Like, you just, once you get a taste of that Wi-Fi money, or just that 10k, like, what is something for the... Yeah, no, you can, wait, I'll explain that quickly, Sumo, also on this. Let me see if I can open it. What I use, the Obsidian is for note-taking, but I'll show you. So, the AI has all of this knowledge for like goals, websites, notes, content. He writes all like random stuff down with info on like how everything works. If I can find a few good ones. Or well, they all link to each other and other stuff. Here. So they all link to each other. They just make all these notes and follow them pretty much. But nah. Sumo Flex, if you don't have Obsidian, download it. It's 100% worth it. But nah, I'll give the speech again. But nah. If anybody has any questions, you can always ask me. I'm glad to answer any of them. And just help you all with vibe coding and so on. But no, truly, everybody, make a Fiverr account. Literally, make a Fiverr account. Do local sales. Just get a taste of that internet money. Get that first 2k in the pocket or 5k and it will feel freeing. Then you will realize everything is kinda a joke or a meme. Like, a lot of people also told me when I started on this or when I was like doing all this stuff in high school. Okay. Yeah, but not definitely Obsidian's word. But nah, when I was in high school, a lot of people also were like, or a few people, not a lot of them, just a few were like, hey, but that is not a real job, right? Like, and they were like, ah, but you're not gonna make money from that. Until I started making money from like all my random online shenanigans. And then they shut up because they realized, ah, okay, this guy makes more money than me. But it's truly just get a taste of that internet money. Get just a little taste. Try and get to that 10k. Because I'm now going to try and get 100k a month. But get a taste of that 10k a month. Like, just get a taste. Oh yeah, also mime, I was just gonna end the stream. But I was just gonna give a little pep. No, Somoflex, it depends. I am an outgoing person if I feel like it. It depends if like I feel like it or not. But no, truly, everybody also that just joined the stream, download Fiverr, please. For the like, don't do it for me. Do it for yourself. Like literally, it's 10k a month. It's so crazy. I think I'm even over it now. Like people literally throw money at me. Today I had another guy. He literally DM'd me and was like, "Hey, make my website 3.5k." And then I was like, "Yeah, sure." Like they throw money at you, dating sites, or well, I don't do porno sites. If you ever get a porno site or gambling site on Fiverr, say no. That's also illegal in loads of countries. But on next point, it's like they throw money at you. Like I literally get DMs. Like I'm in the gym, I'm doing my thing. I get a DM, I read this, and this guy's like, "Hey, love your work, love everything. I want a website." I say yes, 3.5k or 1,000. I have literally repeat clients. They walk into my DMs. They literally walk into my DMs. They send, "Hey, I love the website you made for me. My coworker wants a full SaaS tool. We have 6k budget." And they throw money at you. They throw money at you. I like SaaS apps GEO. Like it's so crazy. Like, and I don't even do retainer fees. PR, like you will get thrown money at. But have you tried local sales? Have you tried LinkedIn? Nah, we ain't gonna do the porno site, but that's also illegal. Like, if you ever get a porno site on Fiverr, say no. You will get banned, I think. But no, Mime, join the Discord, join the Dog Vibe Club. But like, if you have any questions, anybody can join the Discord and always ping me. If it's like a project or design question or so on, ping me. If it's for Fiverr, you have all of these PDFs and just follow them through the ladder and do those freelance Fridays. But it's so crazy, like, you can get money from everywhere. Also, Alden, I'll just say his name, he had 3 clients from LinkedIn. I don't even use LinkedIn. I get all my money from Fiverr, or like all my client people from Fiverr, all my new ones. So I'm also gonna get on the LinkedIn game soon, but you can get money from everywhere. Like, just do your thing, figure it out. But Fiverr, like LinkedIn, so on, so on, so on, it's just free money. I'm on Discord. Yeah, just ping me. If you ever have a question about your project or so on, just ping me on Discord. I'm always active pretty much, or I'll see your message. But no, it's so crazy in this day and age. Just get money and just travel the world. How to get from which platform? From LinkedIn. From LinkedIn, you just post and DM them, apparently. I need to figure that out myself. But it's just to show and say to y'all, if you can make money from everywhere. Pretty much. Also, let me type up comments quickly. Please continue with the full backend for milestone V3. Thank you. But no, it's so crazy. Like, I'm going to try and scale everything that I have to 100k, but it's so crazy. And for LinkedIn, you just send messages and DMs and posts. But I'm going to like go all in this year. I'm going to make, I already said this before, I'm gonna make over $1 million this year. How? What? Where? No clue, but I'm going to do it. I don't know how. I'll accept you on DVC. If anybody else still needs to be accepted, let me know. What is this? Here. You're ever accepted into the Dollar Vibe Club. But no. Enter stream every day. Nah, definitely I will end my speech. From every day, from now on, I'll end my streams with a speech. I'll talk for another minute or two, but truly, like... And I know a lot of people like say, you got lucky. I'm going to show you all it's not luck. Mark my words, at the end of the year, I will have over $1 million. I don't know how, I don't know where. Hunter, I will steal some time from you once I'm done saying it. Yeah, that's fine, just send me a message or I'll be in the Discord or something. But no, I will show you all I'm going to make over $1 million this year. How? No clue, but I will do it. In some way or form, I will make $1 million this year. Like, will I get it via Fiverr? Probably not alone, but you just need to test everything. Fiverr will get you to 1 million if you like do 3 years of hard work. You'll get to $1 million, but you need to figure it out. Don't stay on one platform. Do multiple things. Do Fiverr, LinkedIn, ecom. Figure it out. Do what you do. Like, figure it out. Do YouTube. Do all the things you want to do. What do you mean clean money? Yeah, all the money is legal. You just need to pay tax at the end of the year. It depends on your government and everything, but you just pay the tax. I pay my taxes, and it's easy to do with Fiverr. They like give you a whole form just print the paper or you download the PDF, send it to the government, they read it, and they're like, ah, give me my money, here, you send it, and then they're happy. It's as simple as that. But no, truly, you can make so much money legally. Legally. You can also make a lot of money illegally, but that I don't want to do. Like, I'm against selling courses, I'm against meme coins and so on, and like rug pulling people. I think all money should be legit, because if you start making dirty money and scamming people and so on, it will just, like they say, get you in the end. It's bad karma. Always try and help people while you make money. Always try and help people in any way you can. It's like the most important things in life are just mindset, wealth, and just your mindset. It's just mindset, your body, and that you're in good health. Because if you don't have one or the other, you're screwed. Like if you're rich and you're in good health, but your mental is fucked and you don't have any, like then you're just screwed. And if you have a good mental and good like health and you're all in order, but you have no money, you're screwed. You need all three, and that's just what you need. You need to like lock in. It's so easy. Like what I would even say, you have no competition. Fiverr, zero competition. Like 99.9% on that platform doesn't know how to do and sell for shit, in my opinion. Like, you can outwork 99.9% of the people on everything. On LinkedIn, on everything. Especially LinkedIn. Fiverr, you have a lot of good sellers. I'm not hating on most of them, but most of them literally copy. If you now go to Vibe Coding and you check Tommy's thumbnail, there's five people like copying Tommy on his thumbnails. Like I was looking at vibe coding gigs, there's people copying Tommy's thumbnails on Fiverr. And that just shows it's so dumb. Like just lock in, it's so easy. I want to be Nah, but definitely, I don't know how old were you again, but Somu Flex, but definitely, like I don't know how old you are. I think 16. But nah, you have so much. If you're 16 or 15, you truly have so much time in the world. Like, work on your mindset, go to the gym, especially, like, get in good shape. That's the main things for me in life that I like to do. Is just, I like go to the gym, working on myself and making money. And for the rest, I don't really care about a lot. And just hanging out with my friends once in a while. But for now, I moved to a whole different city away from my hometown just because I wanted to lock in, have the calm, and just to work. But it's truly so crazy. Like, if you get that 10k, if you see like 12.5k in Fiverr, it's so crazy. It's like it's mind. It doesn't like even go into my head sometimes. I don't realize it. It's just so crazy. Like when you see 10k in Fiverr, like it doesn't process for me. It's like those numbers aren't real because it's so insane if you really think about it. 13.5 thousand USD. That's like what a lot of people have in their bank account as in savings. And that then you make in a month. It's so crazy. And that's just Fiverr, and there's so many other side hustles where you can get so much money. It's just insane. But I'll end my preach here. Thank you all for watching. I'll be live every single day for the coming 8 months with better content, better thumbnails, and so on. But I'm already happy with the thumbnails because the AI is truly like locked in with making the thumbnails. It's so crazy. But I hope you all enjoyed, and GG. And I'll see how the back end goes. Alright, GG, and everybody just lock in.